Hello, this is Jessie from Multisoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. In the MarketPowerPRO software, you have the ability to configure your shipping and your shipping needs. Now, whether this is in reference to shipping by sale total, where you can configure the rate calculation by, let's say, 1 cent all the way up to $25 and put in a different shipping amount, or you could do the same thing with shipping by weight total, which is now going to focus on the total amount of the weight of your order. In this training video that I'm going to provide, we're going to focus on real-time integration and how we can apply a flat rate charge for every order placed on the website. So the first thing we're going to go over is the shipping configuration. We need to go under Company, Financial Settings, Shipping Configuration. Now, when it comes to real-time integration, and we're not integrated with DHL, FedEx, UPS, or USPS, and we just want to create a flat charge or a flat rate for every order, we're going to select real-time integration and then we're going to click Save. That is step one. Now, after your changes are saved, we're going to go to create our shipping method, which is this page here. To go to this page, we're going to go to Company, Shipping Management, Real-Time Integration, and then we're going to click on Shipping Methods. On this page, this is where we could go ahead and create our shipping method and place a handling fee, what is called in the software, or what we can call it is a flat rate fee. Okay, so here on this page, you're going to see different shipping methods, whether they're configured by UPS, USPS, FedEx, or DHL. But our main focus today is we're going to go ahead and add a new shipping method by clicking on the button here, Add Shipping Method. Alright, so here we're going to put in our method name, so this is going to be shipping. And under the shipping providers list, we're going to select fixed price because we're not going to be using real-time integration with any other shipper providers. Minimum order shipping amount. So if you want to set a value here for any orders that have a minimum amount, then you can set it here. For this example, I'm going to set it to $0. Now, under the handling fee, this is the area where you're going to place how much you want to charge your users visiting the website, whether they're customers, distributors, or anyone that's anonymously going to your website. This is where you need to set the price. And this is going to reflect every order that's being processed on the website. Whether it's $5 or $10 or $8, this is where you're going to place it under the handling fee box. For this example, I'm going to set it to $7.50 just to cover my costs with the packaging, the labeling, all that good stuff. Now, free shipping if order exceeds, not including tax, fees, or P&H. If you enable this, and let's say you want to set free shipping for orders over $50, the correct way to place this here is not $50. You need to set it to $49.99. And the reason why is because once it reaches that mark, $49.99, and it goes to $50, then the order is free for shipping. Okay, so don't set it to $50 or $51. Depending on the occasion, if you get set free shipping over, let's say $100, you want to set it to $99.99. So that way, when it hits the $100 mark, you're going to have free shipping for your order. Make sure that this shipping method is enabled. So you have to apply a checkbox here for available. Administrator only simply means that only administrators can utilize this shipping method, but no one else on the website or visitors or customers and distributors can see this shipping method. Now, you can create a new shipping method and enable pickup. So if someone wants to pick up their order, and they will have the ability to pick it up by selecting the shipping method during checkout, make sure that this box is enabled. And then under available states/provinces, you could go ahead and enable or select one of the countries that you see here or provinces that you will create. And we do have a training video based on that, which is under the shipping region. So you could create different regions for your shipping needs. So I'm going to select United States here, and then I'm going to click on Add Selected, and it's going to be added under my chosen state/province. And then I click Save and Close. Okay, so there is my shipping method here. So there's a couple of things that we also need to take in mind, that when it comes to your shipping, this also applies to your physical product. So any products that you're going to ship out, place in a box, and then send it out to the user, you also need to double check for every SKU of your physical product that it has weight. If you do not have weight for your SKUs of your physical products, shipping charges will not appear. So we always got to keep that in mind. When we go through the process of creating a product, especially if it's a physical product, and we go and create the SKU, under the packaging tab for that SKU, we need to place weight. Okay, so this is how you're able to create a shipping method and set a flat fee or a flat charge for your shipping needs in the MarketPowerPRO software. Please share this webinar training with your company administrators and support team in order to enhance the services provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input. Please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. If you have any questions about this or any other trainings, would like to schedule one-on-one training with one of our CSRs, or would like to speak with your Multisoft account executive, please call us at 239-945-6433 or submit a help desk ticket request at helpdesk.marketpowerpro.com.